Welcome to mechanical tutorial. I am going to teach you different techniques in SolidWorks for mechanical engineers. I am going to train you different modules like part modeling, surface modeling, sheet metal enclosure design, plastic components design, product design, reverse engineering, simulation, and many more tips and tricks in SolidWorks. Hi, today I am going to explain how to create sheet metal cuff bracelet. So I am going to explain this in sheet metal module. So this is the component. So I've taken a new SolidWorks part file. Select the right plane. Go to sketch. Draw a circle. This is 60. Draw one more circle. So I am going to assign 2 mm. Select this center point and origin, make it horizontal, and select this big circle and the center, make it coincide. Now make this circle construction and go to trim entities and trim this inside. So I am going to keep in isometric. So now go to sheet metal module, select base flange and select mid plane. So and this is 20 mm, and sheet thickness I am going to take 1 mm, radius 1 mm, and K factor 4.45. Now we have to unfold this. So select this edge, collect all bends and say OK. See here. Now select this face. Go to sketch. Now I am going to create this slot and holes cut out. So draw a straight slot both the sides. So this is 1.5. See here 1.5, and this is 3.5. See, let me keep in front of you. Okay. Now for better understanding I am going to draw one center line, small center line for easy dimensioning. And this is 3.5. And this is 3.5. See here we have to select these two lines. See this line and this line. So we have an option equal slots. Select this. Now we can dimension this value. So this is 5 mm. See here, this is the 5. And the distance between center of the slot and this edge is 3.5. Similarly, the other side is 7.5. Now I am going to draw 2 circles. Simply placing randomly, and I am going to make these 2 circles equal, and this is 1.5. Select the center and this one, make it horizontal, and this center and this center make it vertical. So it is constrained now. Similarly, select this center and this center, make it vertical, and this one make it horizontal. Now go to sheet metal module, select, so link to thickness and say OK. So this slot has been created now. Now I am going to create this pattern with the fill pattern command. So we have to go to features and fill pattern. Here fill boundary, we have to select this face. So it automatically selects all the values, like angle 60 degrees, 0.1 gap and edge, the direction. So here I am going to take 6 mm, and here we have to select the feature. So in selected features, we have to features to be selected, pattern. See here, you can see the pattern, and the propagate visual properties should be highlighted, and say OK. So instead of linear pattern, this is the easy method to place the slots. Now we have to unfold it. So we have to go to sheet metal, now we have to fold it. So we have to go to sheet metal and fold the option, select the fold command, select all bends and say OK. See here, it is created now. See, for applying fillets at this corner, if I select this break corner option, we cannot apply it, fillet or chamfer. So it's not possible. So in this condition, we have to go to features, fillet, so I am going to take a 5 mm radius, select all the 4 edges, and say OK. See here, so this is the final component. So during product design, we can, especially for product styling or aesthetic design, we can implement these kind of features. So this is a brief about sheet metal cuff bracelet. Thanks for watching.